The Quaid-e-Azam came to this studio and was photographed in this studio. Now that's a very, very big thing. A year later or so, the governor of Punjab wanted to requisition the negative. He said, we'll send it abroad, we'll get the prints made over there, blah, blah, blah. And he said, requisition? I'm the governor? No. The court established a case, a hearing was made, the Governor General lost. Can you imagine? The Governor General lost that case. I am Shahid Zaidi and I've been running this organization for the last 60 years. Mainly my work has been in portrait photography, and for the last about 40 years I've been photographing landscape as a fine art. As my father was aging, I was the next in line to take over this business, which I did. Way back when I was still in school, Queen Elizabeth II first had a visit of Pakistan. And at that time I was very, very young and didn't know how the press photographers work, but I went out there shooting with my camera. And I have a very nice photograph of the Queen delivering her speech. One day I photographed Parveen Shakir. She was on the phone asking if I had time for her next morning. And I said, so first flight, she arrives in Lahore, she drives to the studio. We have a very, very interesting shoot. And in about half an hour, 45 minutes, we're done. Fateh Ali Khan Sahab ne Raag Darbari, wo carried on for about 2 hours and he sat over there with his tampura and Riyaz ho raha, and I'm shooting. Ghulam Ali was singing his ghazals and we've seen images, but sometimes you know and recognize the name, but a lot of times you don't recognize the name. You just depend on whatever record is presented to you. It's a long time, so there's a lot of history which we don't know. Lots and lots of important personalities that have been photographed here. My father photographed a lot of them before partition and in the 50s. And then from 60s onwards, I've been photographing. You know, who knows? Today, who comes and who goes away, etc., etc.